chapter number 4, Exploring Algebraic Identities. In this chapter, we'll be learning about algebraic identities and we'll learn how to apply it to solve the questions. Right, so before starting up, I just want to explain about the difference between equation and algebraic identities. So an equation is true only for some values of the variable. For example, if you are taking x plus 3 is equal to 7, this is an equation. So in equation, if you are just taking x is equal to 4 alone, this equation will satisfy. If I take x is equal to 4, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So instead of x, I cannot take some other value. So this equation will not be true. That's why we're just telling equation is true only for some values of the variable. But algebraic identities is true for all values of the variable. For example, this is the first identity we just learned. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is one of the algebraic identity. So in this, if you are taking a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, both left hand side and right hand side you will be getting equal. If we take a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, both left hand side and right hand side will be equal. Okay, no matter what values you put for a and b, both sides are always equal. So this is the difference between equation and algebraic identity. Equation is true for only some particular values, but in algebraic identity is true for all the values of variable. Okay, this is a small activity how we are getting the formula for a plus b the whole square. First we are just taking the side of the square is, this is up to here is a and this is b. So I am just taking the side of the square is a plus here is b. This is a plus b I am just taking. This is one of the side means we know that in a square all the sides are equal. This is a plus b, this is a plus b, this is a plus b, this also is going to be a plus b. So area of the square is side into side. So a plus b into a plus b. So a plus b into a plus b means, so we will be getting the formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula based on right algebraic identities. If you are just simplifying, you will be getting the answer by using the visual representation we have taken, right? So here from here to here, this is I am just taking as a is equal to 8 units and b I am just taking as 4 unit. Okay, that means 8 plus 4 you'll be getting total is okay 12 units. The big square is divided into two small square and two rectangles. Okay, if you want to find out the area of the big square, right? The area of big square is divided into two small square plus two rectangle. Okay, area of the square, this is it will be 8 mean 8 square. This square is b square mean this unit we have taken as 4. Okay, 4 square. Then so area of the rectangle. So this length is 4 and this is 8. So length into breadth we will get this also, right? So length into breadth. That's why here is given that if I take a is equal to 8, b is equal to 4, right? A plus b the whole square. 8 plus 4 is 12 square is 144. Algebraically we can get. The formula wise, so we are just taking this 1 square plus 2 times we have the area of the rectangle, that is a into b. A into b is ab plus one another small square b square. Okay, just substitute. A square means 8 square plus that is ab. 8 fours are 32. Again ab 8 fours are 32 plus b square is 16. Now here a plus ab. So it will become 2 times ab. So final formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. The answer is 144. So if I keep on changing the value, if I take A is equal to 7, B is equal to 4. Answer we are getting as 121. If I change B value as A value is 6, so we are getting as 100. So we can just keep on changing. If you are changing A value or B value, so both the sides, okay, left hand side and right hand side is going to be equal. Okay, this is one of the first identity. Okay, A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So once again, A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay, that's what I have explained using GeoGebra, right? So A plus B the whole square means, so 2 times you can just write A plus B, A plus B. This is by, right, so working out you can get the answer. By visual representation using GeoGebra, we are just splitting into 2 squares and 2 rectangles. If you just expand this, right? Okay, A plus B means use the distributive property. A into A is A square, A into B is AB, plus B into A is AB, again, plus B into B is B square. So we are just getting AB, AB. So 2 times we are getting AB, so it will become 2AB plus B square. So A square plus 2AB plus B square. That is the formula for A plus B the whole square. Now the same concept, A minus B the whole square means A square minus 2AB plus B square. Okay, we are just taking the total length of the square is A unit. Okay, then this rectangle length is B unit, so that from this square it will be A minus B, this also A minus B. Okay, so the big square is divided into A minus B the whole square means A square, right? That is total area. Okay, total area means area of the big square, that is A square minus AB. AB means area of the rectangle minus B into A minus B. Okay, if you are just taking this is length is A minus B length. Here you can just see this is A minus B length, and breadth is this is B. So length into breadth. Area of the rectangle is length into breadth. So B into A minus B we are getting. For getting A minus B the whole square, right? So A square, that is area of the big square, minus this area minus this area. So we are getting A square minus 2AB plus B square. This is the formula for second. A minus B the whole square means A square minus 2AB plus B square. Okay, based on these two formulas, so today we are going to solve exercise 4.1 and 4.2. So using the identity A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square, expand the following. Is given 7x plus 4y the whole square. Okay, 7x plus 4y the whole square. In this, we can just take it as this is A and this is B. Okay, here I'm just writing as A is equal to 7x and B is equal to 4y. So use the identity. Okay, A plus B the whole square. Okay, using A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So in the place of A, you substitute 7x. In the place of B, you substitute 4y. So we'll be getting the answer. So replace A with 7x. So we'll be getting 7x plus B is 4y. The whole square is equal to A square means 7x the whole square, A square plus 2 into A value 7x into B value 4y plus B square. Okay, 4y the whole square. We can just expand. 7 square is 49, x square is x square plus, first you multiply the numbers. Okay, 2 sevens are 14. Okay, 14 into 4. So we'll be getting 56 xy x into y is xy, plus 4 square is 16, y square is y square. Okay, so the answer is 49x square plus 56xy plus 16y square. Okay, so therefore we can just write, therefore 7x plus 4y the whole square is equal to, so we can write the final answer. Okay, 49x square plus 56xy plus 16y square. As you find out what is A and B, write the formula and substitute, simplify it, will be getting the answer. Okay, so one question if you are understanding, so balance everything is going to be the same. Second question is given 7 by 5. Okay, 7 by 5 x plus 3 by 2 y the whole square. 7 by 5 x plus 3 by 2 y. That means so we have to take it as this is okay a value and this is b value, entire things. So here I can just take it as a is equal to 7 by 5x. Okay, 7 by 5x and b is equal to 3 by 2 y. Now just replace, right? First you write the formula a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Just replace a with 7 by 5x and b with 3 by 2y. Okay, you will be writing as 7 by 5x plus 3 by 2y the whole square is equal to a square, that is 7 by 5x the whole square, a square plus 2 into a value 7 by 5x a into b value 3 by 2 y. Okay, 2ab plus b square. Okay, b square is 3 by 2, so 3 by 2 y the whole square. Now we can just simplify it. So if we're just simplifying this, we'll be getting 7 square is 49 by 5 square is 25, x square is x square plus, here we can cancel this 2 and 2 get cancelled. Okay, 7 3s are 21 by 5. X into y is xy. Now 3 square is 9 by 2 square is 4. Okay, y square is y square. Okay, now more than this we cannot simplify, therefore 49 by 25 x square plus 21 by 5 xy plus 9 by 4 y square. Now this is the final answer. Okay, now this is the final answer. Now the same wise, third one, right? So 2.5 p plus 1.5 q the whole square. So we can just take it as this is a value, this is p value. Just write the equation, that is write the formula, replace the values and you'll be getting the answer. Okay, I'll be just showing the answer here. So using a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. In the place of a, we have to take it as 2.5p the whole square plus 2 into ab, 2.5p into 1.5q plus b square is 1.5q the whole square. So we know that 25 square is 625. So before 2 place we have to keep the decimal point. So it will become 6.25 p square. Now just multiply it 2 into 2.5 into 1.5. So you'll be getting as 7.5. So pq plus 1.5, that is 15 square is 225. So before 2 digits we have to keep the decimal point 2.25 q square. Right, so now this is the answer for this. So now fourth question, right? So here I can just take this is a value and this is b value, right? So I'm just writing. So a is equal to this, b is equal to this. So using the formula, okay, using a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So replace the value. So 3 by 4 a plus 80, okay, the whole square is equal to a square means so 3 by 4 yes the whole square a square plus 2 into a value is 3 by 4 yes into b value 80 plus b square. So b square is 80 the whole square, 80 the whole square. Now we can just simplify it. So you'll be getting as 3 square is 9 by 4 square is 16, s square is s square. Plus here we can just simplify 1 2s are 2, this 2 2s are 4. So balance again here this 2 and 4 get cancelled. 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8. So balance 3 and 4. 3 4s are 12. S into T is ST. Plus 8 square is 64 plus T square. Okay. So further we cannot simplify it, right? So 9 by 16 S square plus 12 ST plus 64T. Okay. This is the final answer. Okay. So therefore we can just write final answer is so 3 by 4 S plus 80 the whole square is equal to 9 by 16 S square plus 12 ST plus 64T. 64T square. And this is the answer. Okay. So one question, if you understand, you can just do it. Now, fifth question. Okay, fifth one. Fifth one, this is we can take it as A value and this is B value. Okay, using the formula. Okay, using A plus B the whole square. Okay, A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus b square. So now just replace a with x and b with 1 by 2y. So if you are using the formula x plus 1 by 2y, okay, the whole square is equal to a square, that is x square plus 2 into a value is x into b value is 1 by 2y, 1 by 2y plus b square is 1 by 2y the whole square. Now this is equal to x square plus, now we can cancel. Okay, 2 to get cancelled. So x into 1 is x. So by y. Okay, plus 1 square is 1 divided by 2 square is 4, y square is y square. Okay, now the answer is x square plus x by y plus 1 by 4 y square. Okay, now this is the final answer. Now the same way sixth one. Right. Now the same thing here we have to take it as a is equal to 1 by x and b is equal to 1 by y. Okay. Using the same formula, using a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Just write 1 by x, 1 by x plus 1 by y the whole square is equal to 1 by x the whole square plus, so 2 into 1 by x into 1 by y plus b square 1 by y the whole square. Now just simplify. So 1 by x means 1 by x means 1 by x the whole square. 1 square is 1 plus x square is x square plus here 2 into 1 is so 2 divided by x into y is xy plus 1 square is 1 divided by y square is so y square. So the answer is 1 by x square plus 2 by xy plus 1 by y square. This is the answer. Using the same identity, find the value of the following. Okay. Using the same identity means you are going to use the same identity. A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Using the same identity, we are going to find the value of the following. First one is given as 64. Okay, 64 the whole square. 64 the whole square means 64 can be written as 60 plus 4. Okay, the whole square. 60 plus 4 the whole square means this we can take it as A and this is B. Okay, using A plus B the whole square, using A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. The formula I can just replace with A is 60 and B is 4, right? That means we'll be getting 60 plus 4 the whole square is equal to 60 square plus 2 into A value 60 into B value is 4 plus B square. Okay, 4 square. Now 60 square, so we'll be getting 6 6 are 36 and take 2 0, 3600 plus, okay, 2 6 are 12. Okay, 12 fours are, okay, 12 fours are 48. So we'll be getting as 480 plus 4 square is 16. Okay, just add everything. Okay, 4096. Okay, 4096 is the answer. Okay, so we have to split the number in the form of A plus B, then use the identity. Okay, for the next question, so 105 can be split into 100 plus 5 the whole square. Using the identity A plus B the whole square, we can write it as A square plus 2AB plus B square. Now replace A with 100, B with 5. Okay, 100 square is 10,000 plus 2 into 100 is 200, 200 into 5 is 1000. 5 square is 25. Just add everything. So you're getting as 11,025. Now the same way is 205 the whole square means we can just split it as 200 plus 5. Okay, 200 plus 5 the whole square. Use the identity A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So replace the value with A as 200, B is 5. So 200 square plus 2 into 200 into 5 plus 5 square. Okay, 200 square is 40,000 plus 2 into 2 is, that is 400 into 5 is 2000 plus 5 square is 25. So add everything. So totally we'll be getting is 42,025.